Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamir bin Abdul Jalil and my metric number is 119274. So today I would like to present you about our second project that related to our first project in SKJ subject. So today we will be discuss the relationship with Maqasid Syariah and the holographic projector. So first of all, Maqasid Syariah is a branch of Islamic knowledge that deep dive into the reason and higher intent of Islamic law. It studies the application of Islamic law to achieve its intended outcome and to remain faithful to the spirit of the law. That is for the Maqasid Syariah. So for the holographic projector, as you know, the holographic projector technology moved across the entire map of the world today. The term of holographic technology, hologram technology that emerged in the 1940. Technology changed too rapidly and the speed of change is shortened. Since 2005, the University of Texas developed the laser plasma display, which is considered the first real 3D holographic display. The first real 3D holographic display. It's all depend on the intention and purpose. So, what is actually Maqasid Syariah? The term Maqasid in Arabic is a plural to the word of Maqasid, which refer to purpose, objective, principle, and intent or end. The Sharia general rules and specific proof indicate that the all-purpose principle of Islamic legislation is to preserve the social order of communities and ensure they will be. So the last one is the relationship between Maqasid Sharia and holographic projector. So hence Islam does not consider holographic technology as an exclusive right that communities, but rather to develop a good service to mankind. Today, the changing trend and the holographic projector technology can be useful for the Islamic as in education. So that's all from me. So let's move to our next slide that will be presented by my friend Hassan.
My name is Hassan Syauqi Ridzuan and my metric number is 1191637, and I want to talk about the holograms function according to Maqasid Syariah. For the first slide, I want to talk about the disapprove of holograms function according Maqasid Syariah. According to the holograms function, there are some misleading of the holograms function, which are for the joking, the industrial of entertainment, and in businesses. In joking, the pranking, and for the industrial of entertainment, the pornography, and for the businesses is the high risk of cheating in business. This is because the projection cost is is extremely high and it's really expensive. For the industrial of entertainment, for the visual porn that puts viewers into scenes using holograms is on the rise. The production director of VR porn specialist, B.A. Doy, he talks the times that people are not paying for porn like they used to. So that specializing in VR, the holograms gadget, gave her company a creative edge, which means the visual porn is put the hologram into its own rise. As a Muslim, it is really prohibited to look at the aura of the others, especially the obscene or the pornography materials, which is for this function, it is focused on the visual porn itself. And then for the disapprove of the holograms function in businesses, the cheating, as I mentioned before, the projection cost for the hologram is extremely high, extremely expensive, and it may put some advantages for the creator of the holograms to put the high the high cost for the projection. And according to the hadith, the prophet passed by a pile of food in the market. He put his hand inside it and felt dampness, although the surface was dry. And then he said, "O owner of the food, what is this?" The man said it was damaged by rain. "O messenger of God, the prophet of Muhammad," he said, "why did you not put the rain damaged food on top so that people could see it? Whoever cheats us is not one of us." Sahih Muslim. According to the hadith, Islam is strictly forbids cheating and deception in businesses. And then the function of hologram that have approved from Maqasid Syariah, which are the function of hologram in medical, in education, and in military. As in medical, it reduce cost of medical operation, assist on medical operation also, and for the education, the holograms can help the learner or the student to learn more to learn some things, and the learning through holograms will be more efficient and effective. And for the function of hologram in military, it can ease the military to plan and protect the others by showing the terrain of the operation area. And the last one, for the steps to enhance holographic projector, the holograms, to follow the Maqasid Syariah, to follow the Syariah rule. In education, we should strict the use of hologram in the education, as we know the hologram might display the thing that should not be seen by the earlier learner, like children and kids. Such for the example, like I mentioned earlier, the virtual porn. And for the healthcare or medic industry, the doctor or the surgeon should keep privacy of the patient in medical treatment, as holograms sometimes can show their inner body and their organ, and it is should not make it the privacy into public. It is should not. And for the automation, as I mentioned in the project 1, the function of The function of the function of the function of holograms can help assist the automation, and this is a chance for the holographic projector to follow the Maqasid Syariah. And for the system or programming of the holograms, uh, we should relate to the programming to the al-hukm of Sharia, which means to enhance the the knowledge of Sharia, the knowledge of Sharia to enhance a Muslim's knowledge about the Sharia, and that's all from me. Thank you, and I will pass this to my friends.
My name is Muhammad Zakwan bin Rosdi, metric number 1191633. I will continue about the importance of hologram technology improvement according to Maqasid Syariah assessment. The first one is we need to know and understand the rationality behind a technological innovation by taking into account matters of religion, life, intellect, property, and dignity. The second one is the knowledge of Maqasid Syariah is an important branch of knowledge in Islam. According to Imam Ash-Shatibi, without understanding Maqasid, it is as if it is without spirit, like the human body without spirit, stiff and even dead. The third one is laws whose purpose and secret are otherwise written into Jumud laws and tend towards the will of the individual who enacted them. Next, the impact of hologram technology improvement on mankind, especially Muslims. Number one, all the laws of the Sharia determined by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala are for the good of His servants, whether it is hasten, immediate good in the world, or postpone, reward for good in the hereafter. Number two, the main purpose of Islamic law is to achieve all forms of good and reject all forms of evil and harm. Number three, every argument or claim must be supported by the evidence of the Quran or Sunnah to prove its truth or falsehood. In conclusion, Maqasid al-Shari'ah is the goals that want to be achieved by Shara in the provision of law. Maqasid Shari'ah is the patron of Islamic arguments directly or indirectly. Maqasid Shari'ah is an important branch of knowledge in Islam. By understanding its concept will give good to human beings and keep them away from all evil. That's all from us. Thank you.